Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix system configuration cannot save the original boot configuration error on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are seeing the error system configuration cannot save the original boot configuration on your Windows 10 or 11, then I will show you a couple of steps you can try and fix this issue. In this, the first method is you have to just open the command prompt, right click on this command prompt, then click on run as administrator. Here you need to type sfc space /scan now, then hit enter. Then it will take around 15 to 20 minutes. After that, just restart your PC and check hope your issue has been resolved. If still you are facing the issue, then try the second method. You have to just click on this search menu, then type here system restore. Here you will find create a restore point. Click on this. Here you will find system restore. You have to just click on that. Click on next. Select the restore point. Then click on next. Then click on finish. Then your PC will restart. After restart, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix system configuration cannot save the original boot configuration error on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.